The palace clarified that no discussions have been made regarding the position of Solicitor General Menardo Guevara as the issue remains new. This comes after questions were raised about the possibility of his removal following the Office of the Solicitor General, or OSG's, decision to recuse itself from representing government officials in the petition for a writ of habeas corpus filed by the children of former President Rodrigo Duterte. Guevara defended the OSG's decision, stating that there was no conflict of interest as the agency is mandated to uphold national interests. He also stressed that the recusal was not personal but institutional. Meanwhile, the palace sees no issue with former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque's request for asylum in The Hague, while the investigation against Duterte is ongoing.
Wala pa pong napag-uusapan dyan dahil napakabago po talaga nito. Lumabas lang po yata ito kagabi. Pero siguro po mas maganda po kung mismo si Solgen ang mag-assess sa sarili niya kung siya pa po ba ay nararapat na tumayo bilang Solicitor General. Nakita lang po itong mga dokumentong to, bank documents ni Atty. Harry Roque sa Lucky South 99. Nakita rin ang mga dokumento ng kanyang assistant, A.R. De La Serna, in Lucky South 99. Third, there is also a document referring to contract of lease with a certain manager, alleged manager, of Lucky South 99. Bumaksak lang din po yan sa harapan ng PAOK. So how could there be a political persecution if all the pieces of evidence are overwhelming? So wala po tayo nakikitang political persecution, harapin na lang po niya ang kaso niya po dito. Mas maganda po yan para maipakita niya sa taumbayan na wala po talaga siyang kasalanan.